What if I told you that you can get complete, unlimited access to top-tier AI models like Seedance 2 for an entire day, 100% free? Higgsfield just rolled out an unlimited offer for all new users, and in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to claim it, test out 4K image generation, and render cinematic AI videos without spending a single dollar. Let's jump right in. So this is the AI tool right here. And some of you might already be familiar with this platform, which is Higgsfield, because of its amazing generation capabilities. Well, I'm glad to tell you that Higgsfield is now completely free for all new users. New users who sign up with a new account will get access to all top models, including Seedance 2, for a whole day, and this is just great. So you might be wondering, how do I get this? Well, first of all, make sure you're a new user, and you should see where it says Unlimited Offer right here. Click on Sign Up, and you should be loaded over to this interface. They have lots and lots of sign-up options, like Google, Apple, Microsoft, and email. Oh, for this, I'm going to go with email, so I'll click right here on email. All you have to do is type in your email address and then type in a password and click on Continue with Email, and you should be good to go. Once you're signed in, all you need to do is answer these few questions. I can see as well that you now have a special offer where you can get all top models unlimited for 7 days for 61% off, and do keep in mind that this plan can be canceled. But we're not focused on the paid stuff, because if you click right here on Get Unlimited for $0, you should be loaded over to this interface. Next, all you have to do is click it once again, and all you have to do is put in a valid payment source. And do keep in mind that you can cancel this at any time. Once you have that set, you should have your account looking like this, and we can then proceed to test out the models here. Before we do that, if you look around, you can see that this AI platform houses most, if not all, of the top models out there. You even get access to Seedance, as well as Nano Banana Pro, and every single top model you can think of. And that's just why I love this AI platform, because it's not just a video generator, it basically has everything AI integrated with it, as well as the Supercomputer, the Higgsfield Academy, and the Higgsfield MCP plugins that are powered by Fable 5, which is just crazy. But now, let's test out our unlimited plan that we got for free by testing out the image generator. So in order to do that, just hover over images, and you should see a drop-down menu listing all the amazing features that this AI platform houses, as well as the top models that you can get right now. So in order to use this, all you have to do is click right here on Create Image, and you should be loaded over to this interface. From the get-go, you can see that I myself have been testing this platform out, and it looks just great. Do keep in mind that all new users get to access every single model, including Seedance 2, completely free for 24 hours, so make sure to grab this opportunity and test it out. So in order to generate images, all you have to do is type in a simple prompt. For example, I can say, "Woman sitting on a bench in a park," just like this. And if you click right here, you will see a drop-down of models to choose from. And you can see some of them are labeled unlimited, which shows you that it's currently working. So for this, I'm gonna go with Nano Banana 2. And for the aspect ratio, I'm gonna take it to 1:1. I'm going to leave the quality at 4K, and the batch size, I'll take it to 1. And you can toggle this on to get your unlimited image generation, but I have some credits left, so I'm just gonna leave it as is. And all you have left to do is click right here on Generate, and our image is currently being generated for us. So just give this a couple of seconds while it generates our beautiful image for us. And I'm really intrigued to see how well this AI platform will perform with this, keeping in mind that it's completely free and unlimited for me and you to use for a full day. Okay. In no time, our image is done generating, and it did an amazing job with this no weird 6-finger glitch. Everything is on point, and this is the amazing quality you get with this AI platform. And why I love it also is because you have some other features to test this out with. Like, you can recreate the image, and you can also add it as a reference to generate more images. And also, with the click of a button right here, you can turn this into a video. But all I have to do is click right here on download, and it's currently being downloaded straight into my device. Once this is downloaded, you can head back and now test out the video generator models, and I'll show you how you can use Seedance 2 for completely free. All you have to do is hover over videos, and you should be visited with this interface. You can see Seedance 2 is listed right here, but in order to use it, all you have to do is click on Generate Create Video, and you should be loaded over to this interface. As well as with the image generator, you can see that I myself have been testing this out, and the quality you get is actually really great. You can type in a simple prompt, like I can say, cats walking down a dark alley filled with dogs, just like this. And for the model, you can see that Seedance 2 is already selected. And you have a wide variety of other models to test out, but I think Seedance 2 is the best fit for this. Leaving the settings the same, all you have to do is click right here on Generate, and our video is currently being generated. And this is actually really crazy, because we get to use Seedance 2 and its amazing features completely free and unlimited for a whole day. So just give this a couple of minutes while it generates our video for us, and in no time, our video is done generating. Let's play this and take a look at what it generated for us. Wasn't that just great? It generated the scene just as we asked for it. And if you held back, you can see that you can regenerate this if it's had any weird glitches that you don't like, or you can click right here and download it straight into your device. So that brings us to the end of this video. Make sure to check out the amazing features, and remember to get your one-day free link. It will be in my bio.